Hello students, in this chapter we will study about SCF by listing factor method and prime factorization method. SCF. What is SCF? In this video we will talk about HCF. H for highest, C for common and F for factor. SCF is the highest common factor or the greatest factor that two numbers have common with each other. If two numbers having the common factor with each other, in that the highest factor is called as the HCF. Now there are the three ways to find the HCF. First method is listing factors method. In this we write factors of both the numbers and find out the highest factor from them. Now in the second method we find the factors by the prime factorization method, and in third method by common division method. So let's start our first method by listing factors method. The number 24 and 16 were wanted to find out their common factors. So what they did, firstly they write down their factors. So 24 said I have my own factor. So number 24 shown its factor. That factors were 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 4 and 6. And then number 16 also said I have also my factor. Then number 16 shown is factor. That factors, what are the factors? That factors are 1, 16, 2, 8 and 4. Then they said how to find out the common factor now. So for that they did one activity. They took one number grid, and from the number grid these are the number grid, and in that what they did, they write down the common numbers of their own factors. So firstly what they did, they write down the factors of 24. Factors of 24, 1, 24. So they put the 1 dot on 1. Then next factor is 24. The 1 dot over there. Next factor 2 and 12. 1 dot in 2. 1 in 12. Next are 3, 8, 4, 6. Then 1 dot in 3, 8, 4 and number 6. So like that 24 has shown all its factor by putting the dots in that. Now number 16 also said, okay, I will also put the dots in my factors. So factors of the number 16 are 1, 16. So firstly we put on 1. Then number 16. Then number 2, then 8 and then 4. So like that number 16 also put the dot in all the factors. Now you might have noticed one thing. In some of the numbers we have 2 dots and some have only 1 dot. It means the number which has 2 dots, that are the common factors of both the numbers, like 1, 2, 4, 8, they have the common factors. They are the common factors of the numbers. So they wrote over here the common factors are 1, 2, 8, 4. That is 1, 2, 8 and 4. That are the common factor. Now easily they can find out what is the highest from all this. 8 is highest. So they wrote the highest common factor is 8. Now number 24 and 16 got their common factor, that is number 8. So this is the way to find out the SCF by the listing factor method. Number 24 and number 16. Firstly we wrote the factors of 24. 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4 and 6. Then the factor of 16. 1, 16, 2, 8 and 4. Then we have to find out the common factor. Like we'll take firstly the smallest number. Smallest number is 16. In the 16, first factor is 1. So we'll see it is there in the 24. Yes, it is there. So both are having the common factor. Now we'll check over there. Next number is 16. 16 is there in 24? No, 16 is not there. So we will not take. Next number is 2. 2 is there in the 24 also. So we can take the number 2 also as common. Now next number is 8. Whether the 8 is there? Yes, 8 is there in the 24. So we'll take 8 also, will circle number 8. And next factor is number 4. So we will circle the number 4 because it is there in the 24 also. We circle here and in the 24 also. Now we find out the common factor. 1 is common, 2 is common, 8 is common and 4. Now in the 16 number we don't have other factor to compare. So we'll stop over here. So our common factor that we got, number 1, 2, 8 and 4 that we wrote over here. From this we have to find out the highest, the greatest factor, and the greatest factor is number 8. So our SCF will be 8. Take another method to find the SCF, that is prime factorization method. So we'll just try the number 16 and 40. We'll find out the SCF of number 16 and 40 by prime factorization method. In this, what we have to do? We have to find out the prime factors of number 16 and prime factors of number 40. You already know how to find the prime factors for the number 16. It means we have to just divide this number with the prime factor. So we'll start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. So firstly we divide number 16 by 2. Then we got 8. Then 2 divided by 8, 4. 2 divided by 4 is 2. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. So where we get the 1 over here, we have to stop there. Now next is number 40. In the number 40, we divide the smallest prime number, that is number 2. We divide 2 with the 40, we got 20. 20 divided by 2 again, that is 10. 10 is again divisible by the smallest prime number 2. So we got 5 here. Now 5 is divisible by 5 only. So we divide this by 5 and we got the at end 1. So we'll stop over here. Now we write all the prime factors of number 16. What are the prime factors of number 16? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. It means 4 times 2 we have to write. Here we have written the 4 times 2. Next, number 40. We write down all the prime factors 2, 2, 2 and 5. So we wrote 2, 2, 2, 5. While writing the factors of both the number, you have to remember one thing. Then you have to write down a digit below the digit. Like if the 2 is here, then only you have to write the 2 here. 2 is up, then write 2. If 2 is there, write down the same digit. If number 5 is here, next is our factor is 5. But we cannot write the factor below the 2 because both are not same. So this 5 we will write on the one side. That will not be right below the 2. So now what are the common? We will just make the boxes of that. What are the common factors? Number 2 is there in the both. Here also number 2 in both. Here also number 2 in both. So we got all the prime numbers which are common in both the factors of 16 and 40. So we got 2, 2, 2. It means we have got from this pair we took 1, 2. From second pair we took 1, 2. And from the third pair we took 1, 2. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is a common between 16 and 40. So what will be our SCF? That is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is 8. Take the number 24 and 16 to find the SCF of both the numbers. As we did firstly in the listing factor method, and we find out the SCF through the listing factor method of the number 24 and 16. Now we'll take the same number to find out the SCF by the prime factorization method. In this, you know how to make a factor tree. So firstly we'll make a factor tree. We made a factor tree of this. Firstly we have to just take the prime number divisible by 24. We got 12. Now 12 is a composite number. We can split again these two. In 2 multiply 6 is 12. Now 2 is a prime number. We cannot split. So we can split the number 6. When we split, we got 2 and 3. So in the 24, we got the prime factors 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now we'll come to the number 16. Again we'll take number 16. We can split into the numbers, that is 2 multiply 8 is 16. Number 8 again we split. We will not split number 2 because it is a prime. 8 is a composite. So split it. 2 multiply 4 is 8. Again 4 is a composite. We split this into the two numbers in 2 and 2. So here we got the prime numbers of 16. Prime factors of 16. 2, 2, 2 and 2. So this is the factor tree method. Now we can find the prime factors of our 24 and number 16 by the prime factorization method, by factor tree or prime factorization. Whatever the method you find easy, you can find with that way. So next way I find out with the prime factorization method. The same number 24 I took. Firstly, I divide this by the smallest prime number, that is 2. I got over here 12. Now 12 divided is again divisible by the smallest prime number 2. So we wrote over here 6. 6 is also again divisible by the smallest prime number 2. So when we divide 6 by 2, I got 3. Now 3 will be divisible only by 3 because it is a prime number. So we got the prime numbers here 2, 2, 2 and 3. Here also we got the same prime numbers 2, 2, 2 and 3. 3 times 2 and 1 times 3. Here also 3 times 2 and 1 times 3. Whether you do the factor tree method or prime factorization method, your answer will be same for the prime factors. Same I did with the number 16. Here I firstly divided by the smallest prime number 2. We got 8 here. 8 is divisible by again the smallest prime number 4, and 4 is again divisible by 2, that is 2, and 2 will be divisible by only 2. Now here we got 2, 2, 2, 2, the prime factors of number 16. By the factor tree method also we got 2, 2, 2, 4 times 2. So whatever the method you find convenient, either factor tree method or prime factorization method, you can find the prime factors of the number 24 and 16. Got the prime factors of numbers of 24 and 16. Of 24 we got 2, 2, 2 and 3, and of the 16 we got 2, 2, 2 and 2. So for the 24 we wrote the factors and we wrote 2 below the 2 for the 16, 2 again below the 2 and 2 again below the 2. Number 16 we had another common another factor 2, but that we cannot write below the 3 because I said you have to write down the same digit below the digit. Now number 3 and 2 are different numbers, so I will write at the separate. So now we will make the pair from the number 24 and 16 which are common. Here 2 from 24 and 16 and 2 for 16, that is common. Both the two are common here. So we got the 3 groups. From each group we will take one number. From each group we took, from this group I took 1, 2 here. From this group I took 1, 2 here. And from this group I took 1, 2 here. So I got 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is a common to 24 and 16. So SCF of 24 and 16 will be product of both 3, all the 3, 2. Then 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and we'll get the SCF as 8 over here.